Alright, so you guys just witnessed my least favorite part about the Kyosho Blizzard. You can see right down in there, there's a drive chain, and it likes to slip off every once in a while, so kind of sucks when you're out there bombing around, but easy fix. Alright guys, so here's a bit of a closer look at that drive chain. So it just runs from right here out of the motor, runs right there and over into here. So it just likes to slip off like that, but it is fairly easy to get right back on there. And I have tried to tighten that. I took a link out of it one day, but it was so tight that it just bound the whole thing up. So it just did not work. So just have to deal with it. Alright, attempt 2. Whoa. Oh. Oh, we're done. I'm definitely gonna have to go get that. Look at that. It's gonna go off the deck. Okay guys, so here's what we're dealing with. It might be windy, but that's that. So I plowed all this up onto here to mess around and shape it. I kind of wanted to make a run that comes like down here, and then I have up here, I have like my steeper runs. So if this is like a ski hill that we were grooming, that would be the gist of it. You almost need a wench cat for out there. It'd be pretty cool to build something like that. If you guys were wondering what's hanging off the back of my Blizzard, that would be a basically, I don't know what you want to call it. On the real machines they're called a tiller, but that does not till anything. Basically all it is it's my erector set pieces. I just built up a little thing that swings on there, and there is a servo connected to it. I just do not have it hooked up right now because I just wanted to shape this hill, and it actually, I can prop it up higher like it's propped up right now than I can with the servo on, so it's a pretty weak servo on there. Oh, here somebody comes in the driveway. paying attention, watching what the heck's going on, and it crashed. Nope, not gonna make it up that. Alright. I want to try and get that slope to where maybe I can climb up it and push some snow, but I do not know if I will. And the chain is off again. Like I said, least favorite part right there, because then I have to go out and get it. Kinda sucks. Focus. I don't know what's going on here. Okay. It's still not focused. There, now it is. Okay, so anyways, got the chain back on. I wanted to be back here, but it is so out of focus. That's just horrible. Got the chain back on. I think what I'm gonna try and do, now that it's getting darker, I'm gonna try and do a time lapse maybe. Out there, we'll see. Alright, well, that one was ended by, first of all, the chain, and the battery was going dead, so I was just taking it easy on the throttle so you couldn't really notice, but yeah, I'll show you guys real quick the rear drag. Oh shoot. I don't know what's keeping it. It might be because it's cold or something. That's the chain. Slipped off, so. But as you can see, it lifts it up. Doesn't really put it down that well, but I think I gotta loosen these screws right here. But alright guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe for more, and see you guys in the next one.